All right, welcome back. This is day 2 of the community car build here at Wingman Garage. Aaron, what do we got going on?
Yes, event 2 for Sarge. We're gonna bring Sarge's look to the 21st century. We've got brand new headlights, new taillights. We're gonna do some work with the flares. I've got some really cool front fenders that have integrated lights in them that we're gonna try to maybe get on today. If we don't get them on, we'll get them on at some point. What we didn't get to last time, we're probably gonna get the intake on as well. I'm excited. These new lights are gonna make them look awesome. It should be a pretty simple day. No sponsors for this event. Wingman sponsored it. Yeah, yeah. If you guys haven't seen the first event video, you have zero reason to not go look at it. We did a bunch of brake work and we changed the wipers. It was great. It was good. And I do hope to get the front bumper with the winch mount on today. We got plenty of people here, so yeah, we'll just tackle it.
I'm ready. You ready? You guys ready? Let's get going.
We've got 4 wires, ground, power, probably running, and then ground, power. One's gonna be blinker, and one's gonna be brake light. Yeah. You gotta look real confident. Yeah, we got ground, we've got power, we've got brake lights.
Is the battery disconnected?
It is not.
Hey Josh, will you disconnect that battery real quick? Thanks, bud.
Which one was reverse on here?
It was white.
It was white.
White. It was white. It was white. It was white. Watch. It was white. Watch.
White. Called it.
All right.
Yellow.
I told you it's white. I told you it's white.
So we put white onto here.
Are you holding the light right, son?
You gotta hold the light right.
You want to hold the light?
That's what he was doing.
Hit the brake. Try the blinker. Try the brake blinker.
Just turn it. Oh,
Oh.
got that.
What?
So the white wire connects to the white wire.
We get some hip shots. Good luck, Aaron.
Thanks, man.
Black is reverse / backup light. Black / yellow is tail running light. Green, red, left. Brown, red, right stop, turn signal.
Because that's the only thing we're missing is the turn signal.
Okay, stop. Turn the lights off. Put it in reverse.
Start.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, green goes to white. Red goes to green. The problem was the ground. The ground is the problem. When in doubt, ground it out. Let me zing that with the zing machine.
I figured someone wanted a slow-mo video of you doing it.
You were 2 out of 4 right.
2 out of 4.
2 out of 4 right.
50%.
Yeah.
So 2 out of 4.
So, all right. So we're talking 2 out of 4. Which 2?
That one and that one.
All right. Fair enough. What's your name and what are you doing here?
Tim Torok, and just like learning about just about anything, including cars.
Hey everybody, my name is Juan Cornejo, and today I'm at Wingman. We're working on Sarge. He's a 97 Jeep Wrangler.
I'm Sarah, and I was working on the brake lights, which turned out to be way outside my wheelhouse. So then we tried working on the fenders, and that also turned out to be way outside my wheelhouse. So I did a lot of kicking of the tires for a while there. So
My name's Eric Rondo, and I was attempting to work on the rear taillights with you through that debacle.
My name is Nathan, and we were working on a 1997 Jeep.
Yeah, I'm Dan. I'm one of the hosts of Good Morning Mechanic. I'm here to just film and pretend like I know what I'm doing.
I'm Ben with Good Morning Mechanic, man, and I was working on filming this community car build here.
Yeah.
1997 Jeep Wrangler JT.
My name's Kenny, and I was doing the main camera work here for Good Morning Mechanic.
My name is Steve, and I came here today to work on the Wrangler. I think they named him Sarge.
What's your favorite part about doing this community car build?
Learning, I like to learn about anything, and obviously cars can be complex, so it's interesting to see.
I like the community. I like seeing everybody come together, doing something that I enjoy and other people enjoy. Seeing everybody hop on, trying to make the car a little better. It's fun.
I really enjoy hanging out with Aaron, first off. He's a hoot, but also I really enjoy being able to work on cars. My car is relatively new. So I get to do normal things with it, but I don't get to make any kind of modifications. Versus with this car, I get to explore a lot of different things, which is really interesting for me, and I'm really a lot better with hands-on. So this has been just an absolute delight for me.
Just the camaraderie, the hanging out with everyone, talking, joking, occasionally wrenching.
The community. You have, how many people last time? It was like over 10. We had 7 this time around, and Darth Ranger, we had 10s every time. It's always cool to see people come out.
I love these builds. They're really great. It's actually a lot of fun. My favorite part about the builds is actually just hanging out with everybody, having some good laughs.
I'm just hanging out with my brothers, hanging out with the Good Morning Mechanic crew, hanging out with Wingman and all these good people. It's always a good fun time here. These guys know what they're doing.
Honestly, I actually really enjoy seeing everybody, work on the community car builds, whatever it may be. I love coming here and hanging out with my brothers.
Honestly, my favorite part is just meeting the nice people, especially Dan. He's my favorite. And it's just been nice to work on a car that's not my own,
Who do you think is the best wingman here?
The best wingman?
The best wingman?
I don't know, man.
That's a good call. I would say of all the people, maybe Juan, because I know I was here last year, and I don't know about the year before that. I think last year, and I would say they're all pretty knowledgeable, but he's pretty good.
Aaron, he put this together for everybody. He's everybody's wingman. My book. Yeah.
I don't know. I've only ever been to 2 events, so I really wouldn't be able to tell you, but come back to me at the end, and I'll let you know.
Oh, definitely Aaron, for sure. For sure. Don't let him hear that I said that.
Aaron.
I'd have to say probably Juan. Juan's probably the best wingman. Love you, Aaron.
I have to say me, just because of my brilliance with the facts of the Jeeps and everything else that we do here. I really do a lot for the channel.
I'm going to say it's a tie between Juan and Aaron. I mean, those two guys, Aaron brings the energy into the shop that everybody loves, and Juan kind of feeds off of it, and he gets stuff done. It's kind of hard to beat.
Who's the best wingman?
I think the best wingman is Aaron. He's just the best. He knows what he's doing, and if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be here today.
Who's your least favorite wingman?
Kenny. 100%. Worst wingman I've ever seen. Who's the worst wingman?
Oh, Kenny, for sure. Absolutely Kenny.
Oh, Ben. Ben, he didn't do shit.
You know that Jeep designers began adding hidden Easter eggs to their vehicles, with the 1997 Wrangler being the first one, having a replica of the 7-slot grill design hidden in the hood cowling. Hey, Aaron.
Yeah.
What kind of transmission does this thing have?
5-speed transmission,
5 speed.
5 speeds, and reverse.
Nice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And if you don't know how to drive it, whoever wins it, I'll teach you how to drive it.
Oh, awesome. Yeah. Even better. You get a wingman. You get a wingman behind the wheel, too.
Boom. go ahead and
Tight-ish.
take them off anyway.
Let's get a line
We'll
in the
hold it.
line.
Maybe I can. These are really cheap online, so what I'll do is I'll just get some replacements. Nice. That's good. I will get a new one of those clips. Good call on that. And I'll probably replace those Torx bits with something better. Go ahead and tighten that one in so it holds better.
And they use one of the existing. There isn't even a hole in it?
Yeah, the running lights are on.
Not yet.
This little guy. Not yet. Let's put it on and then we'll tighten.
What's that?
It's the PCV system. It's a PCV valve. Releases that extra pressure that builds up in the inside of the crankcase back into the intake for emissions purposes.
So that was a lot. Those brakes just would not
We didn't
stop
touch the brakes.
giving us a hard time.
Oh, the brake lights.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
We had to wire them all up. First, I want to thank you, the 7 of you for sticking around and hanging out. I really do appreciate that. Brake lights are wired up. They're not mounted yet. I got to make some modifications. The headlights are in, and they look awesome. We stopped working on the fenders because some of the bolts are a little seized in there, so I'm going to cut those out later. Juan and Nathan fabbed up this beautiful intake. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to put a Wingman sticker on it. So the third event is May 14th, 7 p.m. same time. That is going to be lift day. We're going to put a lift kit on it. We're going to put a lift kit on it. We're going to try to put a lift kit on it. And we also might actually get the oil change done next time too. Yeah. Thank you all for coming. See you all on the 14th.
So if you haven't already watched the first video, go back, watch the first video. It's actually pretty good. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell, click for notifications. Thank you guys for watching. As always, have a good morning.
Blah 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 blah.
We ran.
It says cheap eBay, like enhance your auto, pave your roads.
I think we know. Pretty sure we know.
we know.
Yeah, we know.
Just kidding.
Did you know that Jeep designers started adding? I'm not going to say that. I'm going to say that. Okay, tell me when you're ready. Jeep designers began adding Easter eggs in 1997 to the Wrangler models. In this particular model, a replica of the 7-slot grille design is hidden inside the hood cowl.